Welcome back to this course. In this lesson, we are going to understand what HTML means and create our first HTML web page. What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is one of the core technologies of the web, alongside CSS and JavaScript. HTML is not a programming language, but a markup language used to structure the content on a web page. The best way to understand HTML is by using it. So let's go ahead and create our first HTML file. Firstly, we create a folder in our desktop. We name it HTML course. Then we open our VS Code, our Visual Studio Code, and move into the folder. We look for our HTML course folder, then move into it. This is it. So now that we are in our folder, let's create an HTML file called index.html. While creating a file in VS Code, we need to add suffixes like .html, .css, depending on the programming language you are using. For now, we are writing HTML, so we use the .html. Index.html. Yeah. Let's write our first HTML code. HTML uses tags to structure content, and while writing HTML code, three things are important: the opening tag, which is this, and the content, which is this, and also the closing tag, which is this. The closing tag comes with this slash here. The opening tag comes with no slash. This is called the h1 element, the heading. This is called the paragraph, the p. When we open this file in the browser, it reads the HTML code and displays it as a web page. Now let's open it. Click on the run, click on the start debug, and it's open it. Now this is it. This is our code. This is the h1 element, and this is our paragraph. Now you have created your first HTML file. In the next lesson, you will understand the structure of a complete HTML document.